I made some softwares by my own using notepad with some bit of tutorials. Okay. Here is one of them. Random number guesser. Welcome to the random number guesser. Wanna play? If I type yes, it plays. Guess the 5-digit number. 1, 2, 2, 1, 4. But you're gonna lose all the time, because it says 26931. It's like a randomizer or something. Okay, try again. If I type no, it'll say thanks for playing. Then press any key to continue. Okay, next is gonna be this Minecraft quiz. I'll ask you 15 questions. If you got something wrong, the quiz ends. Ready, go. Where do wolves normally spawn? B, A, C, B, A, B, C, oh wait, it's B. Why did it take me so long? Okay, A. How many blocks does it take to get to the border of the world? A. Don't subscribe YouTube channel. I mean, so Minecraft YouTuber. C. Where is time is located? B. Oops, oops, oops. Where do foxes spawn? What's the official name of 1.13 update? B. What's the name of PewDiePie's pet dog in Minecraft? C. Congratulations, you got them all correct. There will be another of this. Bye. Press any key to continue. We've done everything now. Those are some softwares that I did using Notepad. Yeah, I've done those with some tutorials too. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.